Welcome to Gold Metal. Presenting premium waste pipes and washing machine pipes. Leading manufacturer of luxury bath fittings. Gold Metal Virgin Waste Pipe. Gold Metal Heavy Waste Pipe. Gold Metal Premium Semi-Inlet Washing Machine Pipe. Gold Metal Premium Washing Machine Outlet Pipe. Gold Metal Premium Fully Automatic Inlet Pipe. Gold Metal manufactures regular waste pipe in 2.5 feet and 3 feet size. Also flexible pipe rolls available. Connect with us at 932-209-2055. Thank you for being with us.